Let's take a look of the cTrader mobile app. Upon opening the app, the first thing you will see is a watch list of popular markets. Tapping on any spark chart will reveal the details of the selected pair, including market sentiment, depth of market, economic calendar, trading details of the symbol, market hours, trade statistics, and leverage. Tapping on the down arrow at the very top of the screen will allow you to choose any other available symbol. You will notice at the top of every page your overall account status, and by tapping on it, you will get information about your actual balance, margin, and trading session. By tapping on New Order, you can open a trade or program a market pending order. Choose between a sell or a buy. Select your risk parameters by choosing a lot size, stop loss, and take profits. Additionally, you can add a comment to each trade you take if you desire. Tap on the magnifying glass or find icon at the top right to search for symbols. You can tap on the star to add that symbol to the current watch list, or tap on the symbol to open its order ticket. If you scroll through the pages, you will see current open positions, pending orders, active price alerts, history of all your closed trades, and finally, your transactions account with deposits and withdrawals. Download cTrader on all your devices by visiting our website, dominionmarkets.com.